Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V50 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off from the options. Wait for the device to turn off, and then start holding power button and volume up again. Now when you see the Vivo logo, you can let go of the buttons, as right after that you have the actual Fastboot mode pop up. Here we have two options. We have Reboot and Recovery mode. Now this looks like two options. I do want to clarify this. We only have one. If I select the Recovery mode, confirm it, you will see that it actually does nothing. And as you've seen, you need to use the volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm whatever is selected. Now with me selecting Recovery mode, you will see that it does nothing. It will just bring me back to Android. There is no recovery mode by the looks of it on here, so it has the option but not the function. So basically what I selected was just a way for me to leave. Oh, never mind. Wow, the second time around, of course, it booted into this mode somehow. Okay, so what I just said is incorrect, even though it was when I tried to record recovery mode. So anyway, I'm gonna select restart. Here I can actually tap on the options. So in Fastboot mode, you have actual recovery mode access and basically reboot, which takes you back to Android. I do want to point out in this case, based on my experience, you might not always be able to access recovery mode. As the first time I tried, it just brought me back to Android. I haven't done anything, it just decided not to boot into it. So there is recovery mode, but not always accessible by the looks of it. So, and I also want to add, I haven't changed anything, so I just kind of decided to boot this time around with no changes whatsoever to what I did. But anyway, there we go, we're now back in Android. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.